Good morning, viewers at home. Today we'll be looking at another angle in trigonometry from the scratch. We are still going back into right angle triangle. So this is the hypotenuse. So it's the longest side of right angle triangle. This is the theta, and the side facing theta is the opposite. And the both hypotenuse and opposite, they are lying on the adjacent. So yesterday I told you about sine theta, cos theta, cos or cosine theta, and tangent theta. So today we are going further by going into the inverse of sine theta. The inverse of sine theta is called cosecant theta, but we used to call it cosec. So cosec theta. Why the inverse of cos theta is called, the inverse of cos theta, we call it secant theta or sec theta. So we have the inverse of tangent theta. The inverse of tangent or tan theta is called cot theta. So, and if you look at right angle triangle, would you say that, let's say this is C, this is C, A, B, C. So now, you know that I told you yesterday about the sole opposite over hypotenuse, that is B over C, and the the sole, which is sine theta. Sine theta is equals to opposite over hypotenuse, and the cos theta or cosine theta as adjacent over hypotenuse, A over C, and tan theta is equals to opposite over adjacent. Now, so these relationships, I told you now, I have told you about sine theta, cos theta, tangent theta. Then I told you about the inverse of sine theta, which is 1 over sine theta, is equal to the same thing as cosecant theta. So we call it cosec theta. Then the inverse of cos, which is 1 over cos theta, is secant theta. And the inverse of tan theta is known as cos theta. Now, when you now put sine theta over cos theta, we call it tan theta. Now let's prove it. Sine theta is the same thing as B over C, and cos theta is A over C. So if you now apply the division law, so B over C will now be C over multiplied by C over A. So is equals to B over A. So, and tan theta is truly opposite over adjacent, and is B over A. So know it today. Your sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse. Your cos theta is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. Then your tan theta is equals to opposite over adjacent. And the inverse, we talk about the inverse of the three. 1 over sine theta is equals to cosec theta. 1 over cos theta is equals to sec theta, and 1 over tan theta is equals to cot theta. And finally, when you put sine theta on cos theta is equals to tan theta. And if you can simply prove it by using right angle triangle. You put the value of sine theta, which is B over C, divided by A over C, and you apply the division law, it will come back to B over A, which is B opposite over adjacent. So have a nice day. Bye.